In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove protected sheets and ranges on your Google Docs spreadsheets. So if you want to remove the restriction, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Data tab and select where it says Protected Sheets and Ranges. And then over here on the right, you can go ahead and just select the protected range or sheet you want to modify, whatever that filter may be. And then select the trash bin icon at the top to delete the range or sheet protection. Select remove, and then that restriction has been removed. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.